What sort of place do you look for when you go away on vacation? You want a nice, comfortable room and a good restaurant. Every Holiday Inn offers you these things.
Come fly with me, let's fly away.
I'm Ashley Zoe Fox. If you don't know who I am, make sure you sub to this channel. We're in an abandoned hotel. Apparently they already started doing demolition and asbestos abatement, so we're gonna see what we can find. I'm not sure what's in here, but kind of just goes around toward the back. I'm really not sure. Yeah, this is definitely an old kitchen. Apparently it's for room service. That's actually a good roll. Go back here. Guessing these were just ovens. They have long since just rusted through. So yeah. Guessing this was for like when they were doing sauerkraut. More chair. Started up the dishwasher and all that. Okay guys, we're done in the kitchen. And right over there is actually a huge dining room. At least that's what Spike said, so I'm gonna go and check it out. Wow. This is a huge ass dining room too. Wow. And guys, check it out. This is where all the headboards from all the rooms get showed up. So gross. Or the old mattresses. Multiple of the old mattresses. Yeah. Even in this kind of shape though, some of these mattresses are better than the stuff that Dan Bell finds in his Another Dirty Room. And these have been sitting by an open door for a while. Hey guys, there's a reason we're not going into the basement. Right there. Water. The water's all the way up to that step right there. Basement is completely flooded. That sucks. Nice. More carpet, desks, other crap. And this is a big hallway. And this right here, this thing was like a coat room of some sort. Because they have that opening right there. So it's probably a coat room. But all the shelves and all that stuff has been long since removed. And guys, this right here is what you would do if you're doing asbestos abatement. To keep everything sealed. Yep. Gotta love asbestos. And this was like a office-y type area. And basically, this area over here, you have a safe. You had small little like safe deposit boxes where guests could store their crap. And right over here, we had a keyboard, so that way if they needed to store for valet. And then you had a small little office area. Okay guys, currently we are over at the pool. And this place had a hot tub, but as you can tell, they put all the carpet and everything in the hot tub. And what's gross? There's still water in the pool. It is so gross. Like really, really, really gross. Guys, look at this pool. It is like so freaking nasty. It's gross. Well guys, we found the elevators. I highly doubt they're working now. Well, over here we have an elevator that's actually open. Somebody had to draw a swastika in there just because. And yeah, looks like somebody tried to actually climb up there. Doesn't surprise me. Crazy.
One of the upper floors will be open.
Yeah.
Probably somebody throwing shit down a shaft. They usually do.
Well, this room here kind of looks like an interrogation room. It's like a little teeny tiny room. Little shelf right there. Over here we have a small storage room. And that's pretty much it in here. Guys, check out this wallpaper. Tacky much? Jesus Christ. Ew. Guys, the way this wallpaper is peeling right now, it literally looks like it's just canvas, like tent material, just taped to the walls. The only thing holding over here is that doorstop. Because everything else is just... Well guys, if we were wondering where all the rest of the furniture was, well, yeah, somebody threw it in the elevator shaft. And it just keeps going and going and going and going and going. Okay guys, currently we're going up to the 3rd floor now. Gonna see if it's about the same as what the 2nd floor was. Well guys, 3rd floor is the same. We're gonna skip 4. We're gonna try 5. Yeah. Well, 5 is the same as the others. Going on up. Okay, so we made it up to the top floor. I almost died. Anyway, now that we're up here, all the rooms are basically exactly the same. The only cool thing is the view from up here is kind of cool. But
Imagine having this as a corner suite.
that would actually be kind of cool.
You just see
Down.
Value World,
Oh, yeah.
Salvation Army thrift store.
But if you look down, you can barely see it there, but because everything's hitting, but you can see around it. It gives you a good idea. This place is completely gutted. As you can tell over on the windows, they got the plastic wrap and blue tape for the asbestos abatement over there as well. And yeah, they pretty much gutted everything off of these top floors. Right there was one of the bathroom sites. And then that was the rest of the room. Same thing on this side. As we get out here, we have another set of steps. Service elevator. And over here, I'm going to take a shot in the dark and say this was one of the suites because of how big it is. So this was probably one of the main suites. And then right there was an adjoining door, which went over here. So all of this, what we're seeing, all the way over here where the air conditioner was, that room, which is over there, this room that we're in right here, and this room over here, were all part of that big ass suite. So we had this room, that room, the big room at the end, all part of the giant suite. Damn.
This is a light switch.
Hi. You gonna hiss at me? You gonna hiss at me? Why are you hissing at me? Hey, I'm a nice person. You know that? Well guys, just in case you do Urbex and you live in Ohio, the North Randall Mall, that's where it used to be. And that building right there is a new Amazon fulfillment center. So that's what took over where the mall was. We're going up one more floor to the mechanical room. And yeah, seriously guys, you need to watch that first step because oh my god, that fucker's a doozy. Jesus. That's what an elevator door looks like from the backside. Hey, it's beginning to look all like Christmas, guys. Everywhere I go. Wow, this is where they stored all the Christmas shit. And guys, this is what we would refer to as the mechanical room. We got boilers, we got really old furniture over there. And then we have all the heavy duty circuit throws. And right there was probably the main panel.
This is breaker panel,
Uh-huh.
but this is a safety switch. Watch. It's because it's open. Dead. But these are load breakers, but this here is like a start and a stop for whatever this controlled, probably a boiler or something else.
Guys, look how gaudy this couch looked.
Those are starters.
Okay, well, decided to come up these steep ass steps. To see what's up here. It looks like it's the elevator stuff. And guys, I'm not exaggerating. Those are steep steps. Yeah, those are the elevator hoists. Well, guys, that was this wonderful abandoned hotel over in North Randall, Ohio. Sorry there wasn't much to show you. Everything's been pretty much gutted because of the asbestos abatement. There were some cool things on the first floor, but I hope you guys liked it. If you did, do me a favor, smash that like button. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications. All the cool stuff like my merch, my Patreon, all my social media links, they're down in the description, as well as links to both Van's channel and to Spike's channel. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Catch you on the next one.
How you doing? You're here too. You guys are open.
Hey, how you doing?